Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. The other day I did a video on this and I did not have any rounded text. As you can see, the round corners. Then I started thinking about there's a couple of ways you could do this. You can go to dafont.com and just type in round and you'll get some fonts that are round. Pretty cool. But if you don't do that, you can take, like this is Arial Black, and you can see it's Arial Black. We can go to Object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to actually left click, right click to get an outline of it. Now that it's a curve, we can take the shape tool and we can select all the nodes, and we can go to Windows Docker's corners and we can round them off like 0.2 and you get a rounded effect. And this will work on any font. And here's the font that I did out of the DA font. It's something rounded. But then also, if you wanted to not have everything rounded, if you didn't want, let's say, the inside of this A, so we're going to go to Object. You can see it's a font. Go to Object, convert it to a curve. Let's left click, no fill, right click, outline. And if you take your shape tool and select all the nodes and then hold down the shift key and deselect those nodes, and then when you go to apply, everything's rounded but the inside of that A. Pretty cool way to do things. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.